Hello, and welcome in Nice Day channel. In this video, I will be talking about how to study quickly and accurately. Studying can be a time-consuming and daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be made much easier. Here are some tips on how to study quickly and accurately. 1. Create a study schedule. Make a schedule for your study sessions and stick to it. This will help you stay organized and focused. 2. Take notes. Taking notes while studying can help you retain information better. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time and space. 3. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that help you remember information. For example, you can use acronyms or rhymes to remember lists or formulas. 4. Practice active learning. Instead of just reading and highlighting your notes, actively engage with the material by summarizing, questioning, and explaining it to others. 5. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks while studying can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for retaining information and improving your academic performance. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night. By following these tips, you can study quickly and accurately, and improve your academic performance. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you don't initially succeed. Keep practicing, and you'll get better with time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.